Hey, what is up guys? So I'm going to be showing you how you can wake up every morning like that and get woken up by your sales noise on Shopify. Now Shopify is a very easy business to start up, as you can tell by my numbers. So in this video, I'm actually going to be showing you the easiest way to do this, but also experts can use this video, and actually how to grow your business by at least 6 figures by the end of the year. Alright, so let's get to the first thing to do, which is to find your product and then also start a Shopify dropshipping account. The first thing I'm going to do is go to Shopify and just search up Shopify. So what we're also going to do is start up a new Gmail. Now the reason I want to do this is because we do not want to use our personal email or Gmail, so that we can actually see the Gmails that we get if we do set up a customer support on our website. So for this part, it does not matter, just fill it all in and it's super easy and simple to make. So right after you have your account, you're gonna copy and paste that email into the link down below, and that's how you start your Shopify dropshipping account. Now the second thing I'm gonna show you is how to find a product to dropship for myself, so let's get right into it. You're just gonna open up TikTok and you're gonna scroll. Now the second way is actually to download an extension for Facebook, and all that will do is just kind of show you only ads. So I'll show an example on the screen right here. It is only showing him the ads, therefore he can see what kind of products are trending right now and what products he wants to dropship. Now this last way to find a product is also insanely useful and helpful. After you open up a TikTok business account, you're gonna wanna go to TikTok Business Center. Then after you're here, you're gonna wanna go to Creative Center. So what this will do is show you an insight on all the ads that are trending and getting sales actually right now on TikTok. So I think it's super cool that TikTok is actually showing you products that you can sell right now. And we're gonna go over here and we're gonna put objective, and it's gonna be product sales. Now you also wanna do last 7 days, but that does not matter that much. Now what I've seen trending is this right here. So as you can see, it has a bunch of likes, a bunch of comments, and look how insane the CTR is. Let's click through rate, so when someone sees the ad, they click on it and they most likely buy something on TikTok. Now let's get into the most difficult part, which is making your store. And then after, I'll show you guys how to advertise. Now watch this video to see how to advertise with no ads and still generate hundreds of dollars. So the first app I would recommend is CJ Dropshipping. Now the second app I would recommend is TikTok, since you will be advertising through that. And then the third one is actually Google Ad Free Listings. Now technically what these are is it shows your product for free to people. Now I'd recommend implementing it into your website, because this will just drive even more sales on top of your ads. Now the last one I forgot to say is Ali Reviews, because it will show your customers reviews from the actual listing, and this will just get you more sales, because seeing reviews just makes you much more comfortable with buying an item. So once you're on CJ Dropshipping, just search up the item. Now the reason we're using CJ Dropshipping is because it has quick shipping rates, and it also has some of the best prices I've seen for dropshipping. As you can see, after quite a bit of scrolling, I have found an item that is very similar to the one that we wanted, invitation table lamp. Now as you can see, the shipping is 8 to 18 days, which is actually pretty quick. Now that's good shipping for starting, and later on when you get more sales, you want to look into quicker shipping so that people will recommend your product more. Actually $48 for this item, and we could sell it for at least 2.5 times or more. So let's say I feel like I'm comfortable with selling it for $29.95, put it in bulk revise, price change, and this is exactly what you want to do. Now you're going to want to press list now. For the name, you want it to be very easy and use some keywords so that just in case the buyer finds you organically. You're going to want to use some pictures or even GIFs, do amazing on listings. Now let's get to the last thing of creating your website, which is actually the design of it. So what I recommend is looking at popular free themes. You have these 5 recommendations, or you can also look at 80 themes that they have. So after the theme loads, you're just going to want to press customize. First thing I'd recommend is to take out rich text and just take out kind of anything that fills your website and makes it harder for your customer to buy your main item. All these multi-cons and stuff, we don't need that. Email sign up, like we're not looking into it long term. Featured product is exactly what you want. Now for this, we're going to drag it right below the image with text. For the image and text, you can just put something like little and then put small so that they can see your item if they're on a phone. So after you have your images saved in your homepage and you also have your product, and you're going to want to go over here and go to products. Now when you're on your product page, then you also want to delete all these useless filling things that are kind of just there for no reason. Now it's just going to be the product, the description, the price, and then this. And then we'll also have the reviews right under it if you use Ali Reviews. Now let me show you how to use Ali Reviews actually. Now when you have Ali Reviews opened and downloaded, you're gonna wanna press import reviews and then select on the item that you wanna import the reviews for. So let's say for this product, I wanna import reviews, so I'm just gonna do that and then go to aliexpress.com. And then I'm just gonna search up the product, so right here. After you find the product, you're gonna wanna copy the URL and paste it right here. Make sure when you paste it, it says .com and not .us, because I noticed that that is a big problem. And if it says .us, it will not let you import the reviews. After you officially created your website and designed it, we're gonna open up TikTok now. Here's a step-by-step way on creating the best campaign for your TikTok ads, and this generated me thousands of dollars using this strategy. Go to campaign and press create. Second thing you're gonna wanna do is press custom mode. Do not press simplified mode. Now, second thing you're gonna wanna do is either choose traffic or website conversion. So if you're confident that your product is very good and a lot of people would wanna buy it. Now, campaign name, you could just put whatever, it does not matter. And then here you're gonna wanna put $50. Put the lowest amount when first starting, just so that you can test your product and see if it's a winning product. If it's not a winning product, you will realize that really quick when you are spending more money on ads than you are making. That's also the reason that you want to have a 2.5 profit margin so that you can actually pay for your ads when you get sales. So here you're just going to want to create a pixel, and after you created the pixel and connected it to your Shopify store through the app. Now for placements, press select placements and put TikTok only. Now advanced settings, you're gonna wanna turn off video download. You can leave on the comments because I feel like that really makes it so that people can talk about your item. Now put custom targeting, and we're gonna put all genders, and we're only gonna put ages 18 to 55 plus. Now this is so that we can actually get sales, because people on the younger end, I feel like, do not buy as much stuff as people that are older on TikTok. Now select specific time. I like to do 7 a.m. all the way to midnight, as when people are kind of buying the most. I feel like no one's buying at 1 a.m. or at 6 a.m. Then here it's all just going to be what it is already. Now here's the most important part, so make sure that you watch this fully through. You're going to want to create a custom identity and put your product name and then an image. For my product, I had tongue scraper because it does scrape your gross stinky breath tongue. For example, I'm gonna import 2 videos, and then I'm just gonna be using those as an example. So after those 2 upload, then you're gonna wanna edit text and put something like 50% off for just today. So let's say this is my product page right here. I'm just gonna copy it and then paste it right here. And that's exactly how you make ads. Now also put, for standards, you're gonna wanna put shop now. But if anything else kind of looks better than that, then you can also put that. After you submit, it will take around 4 hours to submit your ads and fully get running. So I hope this video really helped you guys. Watch this video to see 5 passive income ideas you can do for the lazy people, while you're sleeping, and these take almost no time to set up as well. So these are really useful for everyone.